Hey everyone, welcome back to the Health on Hand YouTube channel. Today, we're discussing a groundbreaking discovery about your brain. For decades, we've believed that dopamine, a key neurotransmitter, reinforces learning by signaling rewards. But groundbreaking research is now challenging this long-held view. Traditionally, dopamine has been seen as the brain's reward signal. When we experience something positive like enjoying a delicious meal or achieving a goal, dopamine is released, reinforcing the behavior. This mechanism has been the cornerstone of our understanding of habit formation and learning. However, researchers have identified a new type of dopamine signal that operates differently. Unlike the previously known reward-based signal, this one doesn't correlate with rewards. This suggests that dopamine's role in learning is more complex than we thought. The discovery implies that our brains might use multiple dopamine signals to form habits. Some signals may reinforce behaviors, while others could help us adapt to new situations. This nuanced understanding could explain why breaking bad habits is challenging and why forming new ones takes time. This finding opens new avenues for research into learning, memory, and even conditions like addiction and Parkinson's disease, where dopamine plays a crucial role. It also challenges existing artificial intelligence models based on simplified reward systems. From now on, scientists aim to map out these distinct dopamine pathways and understand how they interact during different learning processes. Such insights could lead to more effective treatments for neurological disorders and enhance learning strategies. In summary, this new research reveals that our brain's learning mechanisms are more intricate than previously believed, involving multiple dopamine signals that go beyond mere reward processing. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others interested in neuroscience.